Hey guys, Levi for the Rag Company, and in today's video, we are going to be installing diamond glass. Now, we originally had diamond glass on the previous windshield, but well, we had to replace this windshield and now it is not coated, which is very funny because we washed this whole vehicle and there was water behavior everywhere except for the windshield. It was flat and still, and yeah, it definitely needs something. So today we're going to be doing the diamond glass install. Now, diamond glass is a very simple, easy glass coating, so much so that it's probably the easiest glass coating to install because it almost completely penetrates and bonds to the windshield glass, leaving almost no residue behind, which is really cool. The other great thing that it does is it gives a very high contact angle for the water, meaning that it's got a very low speed break, so water just shoots right off the window. And then on top of that, in this cold temperatures that we've been seeing, it almost suspends the frost, making it very simple and easy to remove with your wiper blades if you need to, which is awesome as well for those of you in the northern climates. Now, first things first we had to do as well, we had to wash this window. So we treated this glass to a high pH soap wash, and now, because this is a new windshield, we don't have to do much more than put the prep on and then coat it. But for this video, what I want to do is I want to go over with our newest tool, the Ultra Clay Scrubber. We're going to clay this glass just to make sure there's no manufacturing defects or anything that's stuck in the glass or embedded still in the glass. That way we can make sure it's clean and smooth as possible. We're going to be using Absolute as our clay lube on this glass, and then we will dry the windshield. We will then apply Diamond Glass Prep. Now, Diamond Glass Prep is very different than Diamond Body Prep. Diamond Glass Prep actually creates what are chemically micro explosions, and they make sure they clean out all of the pores in the glass surface, thereby getting this glass as clean as possible, also allowing the surface to be prepared to receive the coating. Do not use diamond glass with any other prep solvent other than Diamond Glass Prep. Please remember that. This is it's very intuitive that you know that you use the glass prep designed by the manufacturer of whatever glass coating you're installing. Then we're going to apply the coating. And when we apply the coating, we're going to be using a crisscross hatch mark style installation where we'll do one direction all the way across the windshield, and then we'll come back over on the half going the opposite direction, and we'll do the same thing on the other side of the glass as well. We also are going to be doing 2 coats of diamond glass on this windshield, which isn't recommended, but it's not recommended, right? So I find that 2 coats give you the most amount of coverage and a better result than just applying 1 coat. And it doesn't really need a lot, so you can get away with just very few drops on the surface. So as you saw, it's super simple to install, and in most cases, it almost completely disappears from the surface before you get a chance to wipe it off, which is pretty cool, and not many coatings can actually do that, which is really neat, and it's kind of a big time saver. So that means you could go around this entire car, coat all the glass, all the way around, come back, grab your towel, remove it, and then do your second coat. And when we were able to do that second coat, it came off just as easy, just as nice. Now, if you want, you can apply a little bit of coating to your wiper blades, but you don't always have to. I found just keeping them clean, so we just used some of the Diamond Glass Prep on the wiper blades. That was all we needed to do, and they're ready to go. Now, 30 minutes after application, this thing can see water and all that, but we're gonna wait a couple days, we're gonna let it sit on there, and then you guys can witness the slickness. All right, guys, as always, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. For more videos, stay tuned right here, the Rag Company YouTube channel.